If you're seeing the Chrome download error that says, check internet connection, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error can happen because of browser extensions, corrupted cache, a bad Chrome setting, network issues, antivirus interference, or even a VPN blocking the download. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Chrome or doing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common browser-related fix: bypassing extensions and cache. Sometimes an ad blocker, privacy extension, or damaged cached file can interrupt Chrome's download process. The easiest way to test this is by opening an incognito window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together, or click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and choose New Incognito Window. Once the private window opens, try downloading the same file again. If the download works in Incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions or your cache data is causing the issue. If Incognito doesn't fully solve it, the next step is to clear your browsing data. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A window will appear with Chrome's clearing options. Set the time range to all time, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can leave other options unchecked if you only want to target the most common causes. After that, click Delete Data. This will remove old browser data that may be interfering with downloads, and it often fixes strange connection-related errors right away. Now let's move on to resetting Chrome settings. If a Chrome setting or experimental flag has been changed, it can sometimes block downloads or cause network-related errors. To reset it, click the three dots in the top right corner again and open Settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Reset Settings. Then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults and click Reset Settings to confirm. This will not delete your bookmarks, but it will return Chrome's core settings to a clean state. After the reset, try your download again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is happening not just in Chrome but across your system, the next fix is to adjust your network configuration. A corrupted DNS cache or an IP conflict can trigger download problems even when your internet seems to be working normally. To do this on Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type the following commands, one by one, pressing Enter after each one: ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/renew, and nets winsock reset. Once you've entered all three commands, restart your PC. After the restart, open Chrome and try downloading the file again. This step refreshes your network connection and clears out some common system-level issues. Another thing worth checking is your antivirus software. In some cases, antivirus programs can mistakenly block downloads or interfere with Chrome's ability to connect properly. If you suspect this is happening, temporarily turn off your antivirus protection and test the download again. Just remember, only do this briefly for troubleshooting, and always turn it back on after testing. If the download suddenly works with antivirus disabled, then you know the security software is the source of the conflict. You should also check whether you're using a VPN. A VPN can sometimes reroute your traffic in a way that causes Chrome to think the connection is unstable or blocked. If your VPN is turned on, disconnect from it completely and try the download again. In many cases, disabling the VPN is enough to get everything working normally. So, to quickly recap, first, test Incognito mode and clear your browsing data. Next, reset Chrome settings, then run the DNS and network commands in Command Prompt. After that, temporarily disable antivirus protection and turn off any VPN you're using. One of these fixes usually resolves the Chrome download error and gets your files downloading again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting videos, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Chrome fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.